बच्चों, इसके पहले आप लोगों ने डीएनए स्ट्रक्चर एंड फंक्शन पढ़ा है, डीएनए सेमी कंजर्वेशन पढ़ा है। आज हम डीएनए रेप्लिकेशन बता रहे हैं। डीएनए रेप्लिकेशन फर्स्टली गिवन बाय Kornberg in 1957. About 20 or more different proteins and enzymes are required during DNA replication. Replication means breakdown of DNA fragments. The DNA fragments break down on the three bases. First, external cut, second, endo, mid cut, and third, restrict endo or exosite. And the two type of restriction enzymes involved in this function. First, exonuclease like a helicase enzyme and endonuclease enzyme. Both enzymes are also known as cleaving enzymes or biological scissors. And the other join are a sealing enzyme like DNA fragments attached by the DNA ligase enzyme, and DNA ligase enzyme is also known as biological cementing material. It's most important question for board purpose, like a biological scissor or a biological cementing material. And the in case of plant cell, the plant DNA fragments cut by the cellulase, pectinase, protease or lipase enzymes. And the animal cells, the DNA of animal cells break down by the proteases or lipase enzymes. And the fungal cells break down the fungal DNA by the chitinase, protease and lipase enzymes. And then bacterial DNA cells break down by the lysozyme enzymes. All enzymes are very important for breakdown of DNA. And the mostly the DNA segments break at the Tata box site. TATA. Tata box means the easy hydrogen bonding at this site, then easily breakdown of DNA segment. And the initiation point of DNA and termination point of DNA in protein synthesis, starting to ending site, and the blunt end and sticky ends. And the other cut by the palindromic sequence like GATTC, GAATTC, 5 dash to 3 dash, and reverse 5 dash to 3 dash CTTAAG, like a palindromic sequence means in other example like Nitin, NITIN means सीधा और उल्टा दोनों एक जैसा. एंड मलयालम को भी आगे से जैसा लिखेंगे स्पेलिंग वैसा ही पीछे से भी स्पेलिंग आएगी, तो ये दोनों ही एक जैसा शो करते हैं. तो इस कट को इस तरह के सीक्वेंस को पैलिंड्रोमिक सीक्वेंस कहते हैं जो डीएनए में पाए जाते हैं. एंड द डिफरेंट एक्सोन्यूक्लियस एंजाइम्स लाइक हेलिकेज एंजाइम, गायरेजेज एंजाइम, टोपोआइसोमरेज, primase and single stranded binding proteins like enzymes.